What if I told you that on the night of March 30th, 2026, while most developers were asleep, an attacker was quietly planting a bomb inside one of the most trusted tools in JavaScript? Not a shady package you've never heard of. Axios. Tens of millions of downloads every single week. Used in millions of applications worldwide. And for a few hours at night, it was weaponized against you. Here's what makes this insane. Axios itself was never broken. The GitHub repo was clean. Not a single line of malicious code inside Axios. So how did the attack happen? The attacker didn't go after the code. They went after a person. They compromised the NPM credentials of Axios' primary maintainer and used those credentials to publish two poisoned versions directly to NPM, version 1.14.1 and 0.30.4. The GitHub repo was clean. The NPM registry was compromised. That gap right there is where the attack lived. Now here's where it gets sophisticated. Instead of touching Axios directly, they injected a fake dependency, a package called plain crypto.js. Axios normally has exactly 3 dependencies, and that's been true for years. The second plain crypto.js appeared in that list. That was the tripwire, and this wasn't sloppy. The attacker staged the fake package 18 hours in advance. They published a clean, innocent version first, just to give it a brief history on the registry and make it look real. Then 1 minute before midnight UTC, the malicious payload dropped. Both poisoned Axios versions were live within 39 minutes of each other. This was a precision operation. When you run npm install, npm automatically executes scripts from dependencies. It's a feature meant to help with setup. The malicious package hijacked that moment. It reached out to a live command and control server, detected your operating system, whether Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and downloaded a remote access Trojan. Custom built for each OS. 3 separate payloads, pre-built and ready. And once it ran, it deleted itself. Wiped every trace. Replaced the package manifest with a clean decoy. npm audit, clean. Manual inspection, nothing. The attacker was already inside, and they left. No fingerprints. Let's talk about what full access actually means. API keys, cloud tokens, SSH keys, environment variables, database passwords. All harvested silently, but think bigger. A compromised developer machine means access to the company's GitHub, AWS accounts, production servers, and teammates' credentials and shared configs. Researchers observed execution in 3% of affected environments. 3% of tens of millions of weekly downloads is millions of machines. Some researchers are pointing fingers at North Korean state-sponsored hackers, targeting developers not to steal from users, but to infiltrate the companies those developers work for. Banks, tech firms, government contractors. You might not be the target, you might just be the door. Check your version. Run npm list Axios. If you see version 1.14.1 or 0.3, 0.4, act now. Check for the malicious package, run an npm list plain-crypto-js. If it exists, that's your red flag. Downgrade immediately. Run npm install Axios at version 1.14.0. Delete node underscore modules and reinstall clean, and then rotate everything, every API key, every token, every secret. Assume it was all red, because with a RAT on your machine, it probably was. The attacker staged the fake package 18 hours in advance and hit both release branches within 39 minutes of each other. Every trace was designed to self-destruct. This was not random. And it almost worked perfectly. The biggest attacks don't come through the front door. They come through the tools you never thought to question. If this video made you check your own projects right now, let me know in the comments. Were you using Axios when this happened? And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe.